Hello and welcome back to Big Jules Tech. I know it hasn't been that long since I last uploaded a video, but what I thought I'd do today is bring you actually something that I've got that's quite current and new. The GoPro Hero 9. I've been after a GoPro for so long, just as a little action camera. I have made do with a little SJ cam, which was a Wi-Fi enabled camera, which I actually got off Amazon when I first started doing videos about 2 years ago. So I have used that, but it's getting to the point where it needed an upgrade. I've been looking at the GoPros and I really wanted the Hero 8 Black, but it didn't have the interchangeable lens at the front, and that to me was a big deal because for an action camera, I think you've got to have something that has a bit of longevity, especially when you're spending that sort of money. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this. I've also got a little bonus because I've also got the suction box to unbox as well, the suction cup for this. Just to go over this, the reason why I went for this one this year, there are a few hardware upgrades off the top of my head, a larger rear screen, a front facing screen, but I have seen varying reports about the latency of that, but it's nice to be able to vlog to frame yourself nicely. The interchangeable lens, which will come with a mod later on if you go for the extra accessory, so the wide angle lens, but also if you damage the lens you can change it. Bigger battery, so 30% they're claiming more battery power off the new one. And luckily, because I'm so late to the game nearly all the time, I've only got this. So any extras that I get for this, this will be my go-to camera for quite some time for the action side of things. So yes, so they're the sort of hardware upgrades that I've looked at with this. Software, the Hyper Smooth, the 3.0, the new one, the new horizon leveling. There's all sorts of different bits and pieces, which has made me go for this over the Hero 8 or even the 7 before, which, to be fair, again, that had the interchangeable and, you know, was quite a good camera. But at the time when that came out, I wasn't really in the time to be getting a new camera. So let's have a look at unboxing this and trying to get some actual footage. The worst thing I've got to say about doing these types of videos, without being awful, is having these sat on your desk waiting to actually build up the confidence to film yourself unboxing them. But yeah, I haven't unboxed it yet. It's been sat there taunting me because I really want to start using it and finding out all the different bits and pieces that you can do with it. So yes. So without further ado, I'm going to shoot now into ripping this open and seeing exactly what we get inside. So come on, let's have a look. So as always, here we are. I've brought you in a little bit closer so you can actually see what's going on with the unboxing itself. So let's put this out of the way for the time being, the suction cup box. That's a little supplementary. We have got here the Hero 9 Black. So as it says there, 20 megapixel camera, it'll shoot up to 5K 30, 4K 60, and it'll do 1080 for the live streaming. Waterproof to a depth of 33 feet, easy for me to say, not. And this is exactly what you get inside the box. So the camera itself, the battery, the thumb screw, a securing mount, the sticker, I think it's the curved one it looks like, charging cable, and the nice box as well that they're going with the less packaging option. So a quick look at the back of the box, nice pictures showing how it integrates nicely with the app from either the App Store or the Google Play. So the GoPro app's available there. Some more information on the side as I've gone through there, the 20 megapixel, the frame rates that it will shoot at, the depth. It also has voice control, 8x slow motion, data overlays, time warp 3.0, 1080p streaming, super photo and HDR, RAW, webcam mode, and touchscreen with the new Hyper Smooth 3.0. So that's exactly what we get on the box. So at last, it's now time to sorry about that, that's my ring going off. It's now time to unbox it. So the unboxing experience itself, very nice, very simple. Put the box to the side, and quite simply, there we have the new hard case. Nice shell. So yeah, that's a nice little touch, I think, having that rather than a load of packaging that you'll throw away in the future. Nice little branding. So yeah, good little box. But let's get to actually the goodies. So there we go, that's it, unboxed, end of video. Fantastic. Let's have a look. No, so we've got the subscription, all the details, some literature and paperwork, and products and questions. So again, I'll put that to one side and read that very shortly. And quite simply, for what you get accessory wise, let's have a look. So we've got the USB-A to Type-C, so to charge it, as I said, it is the curved mount. So the curved mount, the fixing point, the bigger battery, that to be fair is still tiny. I'm going to show you my big hands. I haven't got the any others to compare, because like I say, this is my first GoPro, so so hopefully this will serve me well for the upcoming years. Thumb screw, and the mount itself. So yeah, quite simply, that's what you get straight out the box. Just like that. We'll want to be open before that locking lug will work in there. So yes. And then I think what I'll probably do is I'll probably get some Velcro dividers so that I can actually have that probably in the side to be able to utilise the rest of it. Or I could even keep that and use that as a separate part, but I don't think I will, to be fair. I do like the soft cases quite a lot. Just have a quick look inside there. So it is lined, however it's not overly soft, but nice mesh for keeping some cables, a bit of cable management. So fantastic. So there we go. That's it. That's the unboxing experience that we have. So let's get rid of some of these. Gonna get some protectors, I think. And let's have a look at it. You'll probably know more about them than me from having them for years, but the clamps, they seem a bit sturdy. They're nice. I thought they'd probably a bit flimsy, but happy with those. There we go. Take that protector off the lens. So screen protector, lens protector, and the bigger back. So the bigger back lens, the hinge door, stick the battery in, and now I'm sure there's going to be a firmware update, because they're always normally shipped prior to the latest and greatest information that's come out. Just to give you a quick look. At the now interchangeable lens. So like I say, great feature that I've been wanting. You can see there the glass, so a new protective layer. So yeah, that's everything for the GoPro. So pretty chuffed with that. So as a little bit of an extra, leave that to one side for now. The bits that you get with it. I'm just going to have a quick look and see what we get in the official suction cup. It's actually quite nice packaging. Just wait for something to fall out. I've got it upside down. Turn it the right way up. Get rid of the actual box itself. So we have, as you can see there, suction mount. Some literature for the warranties. And we have a little box in the back to give you an additional arm so you can have it a bit further away. That's a nice touch. Yeah. So I've got a receiver there and a receiver on the top as well, and we haven't finished. There is still things hidden. In the box itself, so let's undo that. Try not to drop anything on the table because then it will blow the microphone out. Not the most delicate of unboxing experiences. Let's get that. I think that's going to have that. So that's everything out of the actual box itself. And then what you've got is a 3-to-2 thumb screw adaptation. Nice. And also there, as you can see, again 3-to-3, but on a 90-degree angle, which you can also alter there. So that's everything. So that's everything that you get with the GoPro. Nice bundle. And to also pack out the box, that's what you get with the suction cup mount. So just going through a few of the specs on here, because one of them that made me laugh is, where was it? Up here. Industrial strength suction cup for your GoPro, but please don't do more than 150 mile an hour on cars, boats, motorcycles and more. So there you go, 150 mile an hour limit. Suction cup, adjustable arms, standard base and a quick release base as well. So let's go back to a quick summary of exactly what we've got here. So there you go. So that was the unboxing experience and exactly what you get. So nice case, less packaging now, obviously with the actual soft case that you get with it that you can use full time, should I say, without just all the plastics that you throw away. It would be nice to have a compartment divider to be able to use that a bit better, but I'll probably get around that some way or somehow. Obviously getting the SD card in with the bundle, because I got this from GoPro itself, then that was a nice little addition. A little bit that's been coming up in discussions about it, and please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. The £50 or £49 extra to get the subscription to get £100 off. If you look currently, I think the deal's on until the end of September, or there's a time frame for it. A little bit of contention about how long is it until you're allowed to get rid of that subscription service. Is it, do you have to let it renew, or will it come off and you'll end up paying the full price for it if you do it a day before the end of the year? Or can you, because you've paid your year, just cancel it a week later? have your year and then it doesn't renew. So there's a little bit of contention. I think there's a little bit of confusion on that, and I haven't quite got to the bottom of it yet. So please, whatever your thoughts are, let me know down below, because is it really a saving? But who knows? I'm absolutely over the moon that I've got something new to show you. I've got something new to play with, so hopefully we'll be able to use this in some of my upcoming videos and get out and about and use it a bit more. So it just goes for me to say the usual YouTube stuff, as always. It massively helps me out if you subscribe to the channel, even if you just hit a thumbs up, because you don't know what's coming out in the future. I'd be much appreciative of that. Also follow me on Instagram at Big Jules Tech, and on Twitter as well, and everything else. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, because they are a little bit sporadic, but whenever I get some money to splash out on bits and pieces, I like to bring them, and then I've still got to do some bits. I am doing some comparisons with the Rode Wireless Go. That's going to be in an upcoming video, so hopefully keep an eye out for that. But it just goes from me to say, again, thanks for watching this, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Have a good one, guys and girls. See you later.